Students, next topic value and zero of a polynomial. Okay, how you have to find the values and zeros of a polynomial. Listen, students, value of a polynomial in the sense any polynomial p of x at x is equal to a is p of a obtained on replacing x by a that a belongs to R. That means for that given polynomial, we have to substitute the values. Instead of x, we have to substitute any values. That is, that time we get what is the answer, that is their values. Okay. For example, you have to consider f of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus 1. So suppose you have to substitute x is equal to 2. For that, f of x at x is equal to 2. So that means you have to substitute x instead of x, you have to substitute 2. That is, f of 2 is equal to, for in x place you write 2. 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 1. 2 square value 4, 3 2s are 6 minus 1. Now you have to simplify. 6 plus 4 10 minus 1 9. Okay, this is the value of the given polynomial. Okay, have you understood, students? For that given polynomial, you have to substitute any value of x. That time we get some values. Yes, that is the value of the given polynomial. Students, next zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial for the graph. That is how you have to find number of zeros on the graph. The number of zeros depend on the line or curves intersecting x-axis. Okay, the number of zeros depends on the line or curves intersecting x-axis. Listen, students, you have to observe these two pictures. For this graph, the line, for it is line, it is curve. The line or curve intersect at the x-axis. For the line intersect at only one point. The line intersect at only one point on the x-axis. So the number of zeros for this graph is 1. For this graph, this curve intersect the x-axis at 2 points. Yes, for here and here. So the number of zeros is equal to 2. Okay, have you understood, students? For this graph, number of zeros 1 because the line intersect the x-axis at 1 point. This curve intersecting the x-axis at 2 distinct points, that is 1, 2. So number of zeros is equal to 2. Next one important note, number of zeros of a polynomial less than or equal to the degree of the polynomial. Number of zeros of a polynomial is less than or equal to the degree of the polynomial. Listen, students, exercise 3.2 sixth problem. It is related to number of zeros. We have to find the number of zeros. Find the number of zeros of the polynomial represented by their graphs. First graph, it is a curved line. You have to check the curve intersect on the x-axis in how many places. That is 1, 2. For this curve intersecting the x-axis at 2 places, the number of zeros is equal to 2. For this graph, second graph, number of zeros you have to check now. This line, this curved line, intersect the x-axis at 3 distinct points. 1, 2, 3. So number of zeros is equal to 3. In this third graph, number of zeros, no, that is equal to 0 because the curve does not intersect the x-axis. Yes, it does not touch the x-axis, does not intersect the x-axis. So it is 0. Number of zeros for this graph is 0. Fourth graph, for the curved line given, you have to consider only the x-axis. Yes, for this x-axis, the curved line intersect the x-axis at this point. Yes, this only one point. For it is y-axis, this also y-axis. It is y, it is y dash. Yes. So the number of zeros for this graph is equal to 1. Okay. Next, this fifth graph. Listen this, it's a curved line. The curved line intersect at the x-axis only one point, at only one point. So number of zeros is equal to 1.